Deep in the absolute black between the stars, far beyond the reach of any sunlight, an object that has been locked in perfect, unchanging cold for billions of years suddenly feels warmth for the first time in its entire existence, a warmth it was never designed to meet. A warmth that belongs to a star it was never meant to orbit, and the moment that warmth touches its ancient irradiated surface, it starts to beat. Every 16 hours, 9 minutes, and 36 seconds, measured down to the millisecond, something inside 3I Atlas erupts with absolute precision, not randomly, not occasionally, hundreds of times in perfect, unbroken rhythm. Like a colossal, mechanical heart buried in ice and rock that has suddenly remembered how to live. This is not science fiction. This is not a movie trailer. This is happening right now, in real time, inside our own solar system. And the pulse is getting stronger every single day as the object races toward its closest pass by Earth. When astronomers first detected 3I/Atlas in July 2025, it was nothing more than a faint, silent point of light sliding against the background stars. A routine alert from the Atlas survey in Chile. Just another moving dot to catalog and forget. But by October, everything changed. The silent wanderer woke up. Its activity exploded. Jets of gas and dust began screaming into space at nearly 1,000 miles an hour. And by November, those jets had locked into a rhythm so unnervingly regular, so perfectly timed, that the entire object now brightens and dims by up to 40% in a clean, repeating cycle, over and over and over. Like a lighthouse built on another world flashing straight at us from the dark. NASA and the European Space Agency have been unambiguous. This is a natural, lifeless comet. They have detected no trace of technology, no artificial signal, no evidence of extraterrestrial origin. The accepted explanation is elegant and straightforward. The solid nucleus of 3I/Atlas spins once every 16.16 hours. Pockets of frozen volatiles, super cold ices that have never seen sunlight in billions of years, face the sun at the exact same moment in every rotation. Solar heat flashes them instantly from solid to gas. The gas blasts outward in powerful jets. The jets create the pulse. Clockwork. Completely resistant to the smoothing effect of a coma that, by every law we trust, should be erasing the pulse entirely. The cloud is not hiding the heartbeat. It is letting the heartbeat through almost untouched, or in some still unexplained way, amplifying it. Harvard professor Avi Loeb, the same scientist who forced the entire astronomical community to treat Oumuamua as a serious anomaly rather than a footnote, has now documented 12 separate, compounding anomalies with 3I Atlas that remain unexplained by standard cometary physics. Among them, a prominent anti-tail pointing directly toward the sun, defying the pressure of the solar wind that should blow every particle the other way. A deep cyan blue color shift near perihelion that no known combination of ice, dust, and gas can fully reproduce. Non-gravitational accelerations that are larger, more complex, and more persistent than any outgassing event should allow. And now this relentless 16.16-hour heartbeat, perfectly timed, perfectly repeated, perfectly visible through a cloud that should, by all rights, destroy any trace of regularity. NASA's public position has not wavered. Every single anomaly is consistent with an object born in an alien chemical environment and flung into our system by pure cosmic chance. But even they quietly acknowledge one undeniable fact. The pulse has been running since the moment 3I Atlas crossed the outer boundary of our solar system, Possibly for months, possibly for years, before humanity ever noticed it was there. It did not start when it got close. It was already beating. On December 19, in just 15 days from today, 3I Atlas will make its closest approach to Earth 170 million miles away. Close enough for thousands of amateur telescopes to watch the globe pulse in real time with the naked eye. Close enough for the United Nations to activate full planetary defense tracking protocols and watch it 24/7 for the next 2 months, recalculating its trajectory again and again, just in case the natural explanations ever prove insufficient. We are not saying it is artificial. We are not claiming alien technology. We are saying the heartbeat is real. The numbers are real. The anomalies are real. And the question is not going away. 16 hours, 9 minutes, 36 seconds. Beat, beat, beat. What do you hear when you listen to that rhythm? Tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe and the bell because in 15 days the heartbeat will be louder than ever, and we will all be listening.